Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet and Handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make a daisy flower keychain. So in this you have need material. First you have need a keychain of this material, and I am using this 5 play cotton yarn, yellow color and also white color 5 play milk cotton yarn. In this I am using hook size is 4mm hook, and we need a needle and scissor also. So let's start how to make this daisy flower keychain. So let's start with a yellow color. First make a magic ring. Now in the magic ring I am making a 6 single crochet. First make a chain. Now make single crochet in this magic ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now write this. Okay, now in this first stitch make a slip knot. Did you see in this first stitch? Oh sorry, make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn little bit longer. Grab this to back. Okay, I done this first round, so I'm doing this to secure this yarn. So now start with second color. Make a slip knot. Make a longer one. You can start from anywhere of the stitch. Now make chain 3. Insert into the same space of the stitch. Now make double crochet 3 times. Now make chain 3. Now insert into the same space, yarn over, pull it through up. Now make a slip stitch. Now you can see, be careful, see here. Okay, I will put it up. there is this stitch. Don't skip any stitch because we have only 6 stitch to complete this daisy flower. And be carefully, you can see there is a 1 stitch. Insert in this stitch and make a slip stitch over there. Now make chain 3, yarn over, insert into the same space, make double crochet, three chains, then make 3 times double crochet, then 3 chains. Now I done 3 double crochet. Now make 3 chain. Now insert into the same space and make slip stitch. Now insert into the next space. Okay, now make slip stitch over there. Now again make chain 3. Repeat this same process every 6 stitches. So guys, we have done 5 stitches of flower petals. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. Now this is our last. Chain 3, yarn over, This is our final. Okay, now do this stitch slip over first stitch. Now cut a long tail yarn. Now insert this needle over there. Pull this yarn to back. Now secure this yarn, hide this in these sleeves. Cut this. And cut it. I'm doing this. You can see this daisy flower is ready now. Now we use this. Open this. You can insert anywhere of this third one better. Mid one. Now close this tightly. Now you can see this is our back side, this is our front side. Our keychain is ready. I hope so you love this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and still connected with me more interesting videos. Bye bye.